Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to our tutorial for beginners in terms of using Microsoft Word. And so, for today, our topic is all about how to insert image in Microsoft Word. Let's say, for example, you have here the paragraph and you want to improve your paragraph and text by supporting it using image. So in order to do that, you just need to go to Insert tab here. Just click Insert and then kindly go to Pictures. So you can insert pictures from your computer or from other computers that you're connected to. Just simply click that and then you may now add pictures. So let's say for example, this is the picture that you want to add. Just simply click Insert and then that's it. That is already your picture added to your text. And then also you can edit it. You can resize it by dragging it here. And then you can change the format as well and the layout option of this picture. So you can choose how your object interacts with the text around it. So you have here with text wrapping or in line with text only. You can change it here, square, so that you can move it like this in the middle. And you can also change the format by editing the picture border. If you want it to be black or no outline, you can also choose it. And we will have more of formatting this picture on our next tutorials. But for now, the only focus of our tutorial is on how to insert picture in your text. So that will be all for today. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more of this beginner's guide. Bye bye.